The following video shows you the quick and easy way of adding NXT-MSC controllers using the Hub Scan feature. This video follows on from the site setup and the Hub Claim video. When you've set up the site, you have to select the Carry NXT-MSC and Mercury controller type. Verify that the hub is up to date. After adding the hub, make sure that it has completed its initial update. You can click on the hub name to see a date and timestamp of when the hub was updated. Scan and add Carry MSC controllers. Return to the hub screen and click the Scan button. The hub will then scan the local network for any unassigned and factory reset Carry MSC and Mercury controllers. Within a few seconds, the detected controllers will be displayed. As you can see here, there are multiple Carry MSC controllers and a Mercury controller. Each controller will display its assigned MAC address and a DHCP address, which is assigned automatically. Once the controllers have been added, they can then be assigned a static IP address. Note: you may need to involve the IT department to obtain available static IPs to assign to the controllers. Select the controllers that you wish to add, and then add a description for each controller. As you can see, multiple MSC controllers can be added to the system in one go. Once complete, click on the Claim button. The controllers will then be added to the system. Go to Hardware from the main menu and click Controllers to see the new controllers in the list. The added controllers should show as online within a few seconds. When the Carry MSC controllers are initially added, they will perform a memory reset automatically. Finally, add a static IP address if required by IT. On the right side of the screen, click the Actions menu and select Configure. From the drop-down menu, select Network. Change the network method from DHCP to static. Enter a static IP address you wish to assign to the controller, then click Save. Next, from the drop-down menu, select Autosave. Place a check mark in the box to enable the autosave feature. Change the startup routine from Clear All Settings, Force a full download, to Restore from last saved settings. Click Save, then Apply and reboot. This is very important to ensure the controller configuration is retained if it loses power and the lithium battery is flat. Finally, perform another scan from the hub screen. Once the controllers are displayed, close the scan window. Return to the controller screen, and you will see that the controller now has the new IP address. Verify the readers are online. To view the readers, click on Hardware, then Readers, and you will see the readers and reader interface modules which are online. For further Borealis setup and configuration, visit borealis.carrysys.com.